Okay guys, here's a nice one we've got. It's the 14 to 18 GM trucks, full-size truck, Chevy GMC, full-size Sierra Silverados with the 5.8 extra short bed. This unit's black with half-side sliders in it. It's a Leer cab high. It has been repainted. You can kind of see in the back corner, it must have been originally been red, but it has a little bit of spots, but you can't really, unless you're looking in those little corners, you're not going to see that it's been repainted. But it's been repainted black. Paint's in good shape. It has a little bit, you can see right there along the edge here, where the paint has kind of pulled away from the window frame. But really, this looks really good. The paint's pretty fresh on it. Not sure how long ago it was painted, but it looks good. Does have a little bit of a damage right there on the corner, but not really bad. This one's really not bad. The bottom edge is really good on this one. Got a couple spots right there on this bottom edge here. Really just this small little, it's just small little spots. One right there on the bottom edge of this one. Really not a lot of damage on this unit. Half side sliders in the side. The front is a picture window. On the front side, not seeing anything major wrong with this one. Top looks really good. It does have a small spot right there in the paint. Looks like it was hit something. A small gash. Small chip in the corner here and small little scuff mark. This one probably would buff out. It doesn't appear to be. Appears to be on the top. Top edge looks good on this. There's a small chip right there. Looks like I got a little bit of a scuff right there. That one probably would buff out as well. This bottom edge, this edge here, back side looks really good. It has a small chip right there and right there. A couple of them on the bottom edge here. Right down through there. Half side sliders on this side as well. It does have the locking double T handle. Back door. Inside is bare fiberglass. Has some holes in the screen, just some minor holes. Nothing really major. Picture window in the front here. This one here has a little bit bigger hole right down there. Look at a little bit bigger hole in the screen. Serial number on this one. So it's the 100R Leer. It's the 5.8 bed, the GM 14 to 18 body style. Does have the standard Leer fuse box. So there it is. It's a Leer 100R cab high fiberglass. It's the 14 to 18 GM trucks, full size trucks. The Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra with a 5.8 bed. It's cab high. It's black. Below is a link to this unit on our website where you can see the cost of it, which location it's at, information like that. More information if you want to purchase it, or schedule time to come pick it up or to look at it. Also, there's a website link to our website in general if you're looking for just repair parts, ladder racks for aluminum truck caps, locking handles, sealant tapes, for the tops, and truck bed storage solutions. All that stuff's available on our website for purchase. Thanks for watching.